But the most dangerous thing is what the government of today is doing. This nature of grooming goons is the most dangerous thing that can ever happen to a nation. And when I heard that this guy was called to go and look for guys, lock them in, and then this man will be disciplined. Remember the case I had in Atembea, saying how they used to do, and how he saved Ngeno. Ngeno personally, I know him. And the way this gentleman explained how they rescued him, for him he thought they were going to kill, but they were rescuing him because of a special force from DCI from Nairobi had arrived to execute the job against this member of parliament. And he quickly moved in, rescued him. They never told him where they're taking him. He's only now coming to say, we did this because this was about to happen to you. And this is what happened to Boniface Mwangi in Tanzania, because I hear he was molested.
He was.
And it's goons who are sent inside to molest them. Well, again, this lady. This is a trend that is in East Africa, because the same thing happened to...
And one of the bodyguards of Bobby Wine also.
Bobby Wine. That's, I was looking for the name Bobby Wine. The same thing that happened.